This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2400 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, stove-top burner, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, slide-out, refrigerator, Colorado detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH is 5,725 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.